Hi everybody, it's your homeless friend Kai again. Today we are going to be talking about your first few weeks in the streets. And there's nothing I can do or say to make this easy on you. I wish there was. You've lost everything you own, everything you've worked for, and everything you've struggled for your entire life. And now you're homeless. And it's going to suck. I can teach you some tips and tricks about making life on the streets easier, but it's not going to help your first few weeks. Anyway, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to make sure that you have your ID, Social Security card, birth certificate, and photo ID or driver's license. If you have a place you can store your Social Security card and birth certificate away from your person, so that they don't get lost or stolen, then that's the best thing you can possibly do. Because your regular ID you're going to need to. If you drink or smoke cigarettes, you're going to need it to, in case you get carded somewhere or if the police stop you, you're going to need photo ID. But if you lose your birth certificate, Social Security card, and photo ID at the same time, it's almost impossible to get any kind of identification after that. So you want to keep your Social Security card and birth certificate safe. You need to keep them handy because if you don't have a bank account, you're going to need them to open a bank account. And yeah, there are a few other things you'll need them for. So make sure you can access them within 24 hours or on the weekdays. Right now, I'm keeping my birth certificate in my mom's place. My Social Security card is in my mailbox at Mail Ship and Print. Another thing you're going to want is a mailing address. Churches sometimes allow you to get mail at the church. Post office boxes, if you can possibly get a post office box, that is the optimum. They're cheap. They're readily available in most places. I can't get a post office box because I don't live in state, or I'm not registered to vote in state. I'm not registered as a resident in state. I'm registered in Florida, so I got a mailbox at Mail Ship and Print. I did the research, and it was the cheapest place I found to get a mailbox. You can also get one at the UPS store or at FedEx store. I've seen like UPS is like $80-$90 a month, and if you're just using it like I do to get packages from Amazon, then that's it's not helping you. You might as well you can take a bus to wherever you need to make your purchases from and get them cheaper. Most stuff I order on Amazon you can't get locally, so I need to get packages from Amazon. I pay $80 for 3 months at Mail Ship and Print, but it's also a $30 setup fee, so it's $50 for 3 months, or $30 a month if you're doing it month to month. I'm not. I would have gotten a year, honestly, because it was like $156 for the year. But I wasn't sure I was going to need a mailbox for a year. Another thing you're going to need is a bank account with a debit card. And if you don't have one, get one. If you have one, keep it. You can get bank accounts online with no deposit necessary. You can get a bank account at most banks with no minimum deposit. and if you most banks will have if you deposit $100 to start your account, you can get a free checking account. It doesn't have any taxes or fees on it. But once you get the bank account, mailing address, and you have your ID straightened out, you can get packages from Amazon. In my videos, I teach you how to panhandle, how to make money through cans, how to get food, stuff like that. If you have a bank account, you can deposit your money that way, or you can also make money or get people to donate through PayPal or Venmo. And the way to do that is to make Facebook friends, start a YouTube channel, make videos, allow people to get to know you and know who you are, and don't be afraid to share your life with them. Let them know what you need, and people will help you. I don't get a lot of donations. When I do, they're usually big, and they're surprising and surprisingly timely. Yeah, if you can get PayPal, get Venmo, connect them to your bank account, and allow yourself to receive donations that way. And then you can order, what you need off Amazon. They also have a gift list that you can, or a wish list that you can make public and send a link to. And I will make a video about how to do that later on in the series. But not only can you buy things that you need off Amazon, but you can put a list up there for other people to buy you what you need on Amazon. And I've gotten a majority of the things that make my life more comfortable from people buying me stuff off Amazon and shipping it to me at my mailing address, which is amazing. But yeah, if you follow a few simple tips and tricks, your life isn't going to be easy. It can be easier, and your life isn't going to be comfortable, but you can be more comfortable than most people living on the streets. Also, if you can, cell phone, tablet, and a Wi-Fi hotspot, and I will teach you about the Wi-Fi hotspot in a future video. But yeah, chances are you know about what a cell phone or tablet can do if you're watching this video. Check the description there's a link to the Amazon Ultimate Homeless Survival Everything You Need kit. There's also links to donate if you want to donate to me. Let me think. Like, subscribe if you want to see future videos and be notified when they come out. Hit the bell icon so you can get the notifications that way. Yeah, if you have any questions, I do my best to read every question in the comment section and get back to you as quickly as possible. I will answer any questions you have. Thanks for watching, and I'll get back to you guys with another video soon.